Welcome to our YouTube channel Abid Financials, and today we are going to discuss.
Now set up a bank rule for copper ST bakery with the following details. Here we shall create a rule. Copper ST bakery with the following details. We shall create a bank rule. Apply a bank rule, any condition match. Any condition match, line number 1 field pay, okay, and line 1 condition equals, and value copper ST bakery, okay, and set the contact from the pay. And allocate line item description client treat. Okay, and next one is account is 420, tax rate is tax exempt central 100%, tax exempt central, age is 100. During set the preference during bank reconciliation, okay, and add the rule for business bank account, okay, name the rule copper ST bakery, okay. Now we shall save this one. This rule is saved, and next one is reconcile two copper ST bank payments using the bank rule. You have set up ST bakery account. These would be shown here after setting up the rule. Now we shall reconcile these two accounts from these rules. Apply the rules. Okay, ST bakery, copper ST bakery. These were two accounts. Copper ST bakery. This is the